Saying I'm fine makes you sound like a robot. Do you want to sound like a real person? Like a native speaker? Watch this video and say these instead. Hey, I'm Adi, and this channel is where you learn real, everyday English conversation lessons in a fun and easy way. If you're tired of textbook English and want to speak in a more natural way, you are in the right place. So, how are you today? Let's learn to answer that without sounding weird. Look, before we start, I need to explain something. I'm fine is not wrong. It's just that no one really uses that phrase in everyday real English, unless they are a robot or probably in trouble. If someone says something like, I'm fine in an English movie, for example, it is usually followed by something like, leave me alone. So they usually say, I'm fine, leave me alone. So today I'll teach you what native speakers of English say instead, and how you can too. Here are 5 supernatural ways to answer how are you that native speakers of English use every day. Casually, easily, and with feeling. Number 1, I'm good. I'm good. This is the most common one. Sounds simple, right? But it's very friendly and it's very warm. Don't forget to say it with a smile. I'm good. How about you? I'm good. How about you? Number 2, pretty good. Pretty good. Repeat after me. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not amazing, not terrible, just pretty good. And here's the natural tone. Yeah, pretty good. You? Yeah, pretty good. You? It means, how about you? Number 3, not bad. Not bad. This is actually not bad, but if it's pronounced more naturally, you might hear not bad. Not bad. This one's chill. Not too positive, not too negative, but it's super common in casual chats. You might hear, hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Not bad. You? Not bad. You? Number 4, can't complain. Can't complain. So the full phrase is can't complain, but the final T, can't, is usually not pronounced. So it's can't complain. Can't complain. It's very native and it means that you're okay. Maybe not perfect, but okay. And obviously, there is nothing to complain about. How are you? Can't complain. You? That's how you use it. Number 5, I've been better. I've been better. This one is more honest. You're not terrible, but it's not your best day either. Still polite, still natural. How are you? I've been better. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. This is also very common. Now here's a key point. After you answer the question, ask them back. Say things like, how are you? What about you? Or just you? Like this very short dialogue. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? I've been better. Thanks for asking. You? Can't complain. So next time someone asks you, how are you? Don't go full robot with, I'm fine. Use one of these real phrases and sound like a native speaker. Hit subscribe and like buttons if you learned something new, and comment, how are you today? Don't forget to use one of these phrases. Goodbye. Till next time.